How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a trade I recorded live. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's get right into this trade. So I went short based off three things. Price action was pointing down, a triple top on lower time frames. We had weakness, so actually four, and I had an indicator on TradingView give me the sell signal, right? So had a bunch of things working in my favor. I really like this setup, had really good risk to reward. Okay, this is the type of trade you get into. You want to give it room to work, right? You want to let your winner run. In this case, this is the ideal setup for me. So I went short at 4356.25. Went three short. I had a price target of low of day. I ended up selling right above it because we come down. We started thought we was going to possibly bounce, which we did for a minute, but later on we finally came down, hit low of day. But right at a 7+ point move with three short. Now let's take a look at the actual movement here. This is real money, by the way. This is an account I opened about a week and a half ago, I believe it was, so you all could follow along. There's $10,000 in this account trading ES futures. Fast forward a little bit here. So again, my original plan was to sell once we broke low of day or right at low of day. I ended up selling right here for $1,200 profit at 4348.25. You're probably thinking, wow, you're super light in this trade, but you caught a nice move. That's what it's all about. If you're letting your losing trades become bigger than your winners, you're going to lose long term unless you just have a 99% win rate, right? The ideal is to set up your risk management, set up your trading plan where you can lose 50% of the time and still be a profitable trader. That's what it's all about. And I had someone ask me, Grizzly, how do you hold when you're in profit like this? How do you keep yourself from selling? Like I see $675 profit. Why don't you just lock it in? How do you keep from doing that? Simple. I have a plan before I get into a trade. I understand price action very well, and I just follow my plan. It's as simple as that, right? People overcomplicate trading all the time. Keep it simple, follow your plan, get a system that works, okay? That's proven to work, and follow it religiously. If you want to follow along, open you up an account and let's do this together. Plenty of room at the top for us all. Trust me. All right, fast forward here so we can get to where I actually sell. I was getting ready to go on Instagram Live here. I go live every single morning, give a free watch list, free education, and feel free to come join us. We'd love to have you. Like a family environment, positivity, and motivation only allowed. This trade lasted longer than I realized. I don't realize how long the trade lasts until I go back through the recording for you all. Keep in mind, I'm still new to recording my trades live. We'll get some better flow in the near future on these. I make these videos because I want to show you all it can be done. You don't have to have a ton of money to day trade. You just have to have good risk management and have sniper entries. That's what it's about. If I can do it, you can do it if you're just willing to put in the work. And there was my sell. Okay, I sold. I was filled at 4348.25. So right at $1,200 profit. I ended my day at $2,200 profit. I took a total of 3 trades today, all on ES, all on this account. Ended my day right at 2,200. The other trade I took was a retest of that 429.6 area on SPY I told you all to watch. That was a key level this week. We retested. I went back short there. And the other trade I took was with Brandon, another admin inside Team Bull. He went short. I went very light with him. Ended my day at 2,200 on a $10,000 account. Pay myself weekly. Feel free to follow along. Nothing to hide here. We're gonna prove that this can be done. You don't have to have $100,000 to do it. That's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.